My Excali Jamar no longer works. I asked today if it was under warranty, and they had this Arti digital scale. Looks almost identical, only difference, yellow. I don't mind using yellow. Haven't had a scale for a while. Good month. Let's check out the back. Looks identical. Identical. Pull out. Now the battery will work. Looks identical. Only difference is color, and it was cheaper. Hey, this one doesn't work and this one does. Free app. Exactly the same size. Doesn't say Jamar, just says Excali. Guess we'll save this, get the app, see what that's all about. And might as well pack this back in the box in case they tell me that is still under warranty and they're going to replace it for me. Doesn't hurt to try, right? I think I did it the wrong way. Yep, that's the right way. Might have to ship it back to the manufacturer, but hey, doesn't hurt to have two scales. I definitely have a need for it. Cool, my new scale.